How to run reports using Knapp Online. Running a report in Knapp Online is very easy and can be done in a few simple steps. Most of the reports you will need can be accessed from the function Export Financial Reports from the Banking and General Ledger screen. You will see a variety of reports to run for your region. In the General Ledger Report class, two of the most useful reports your region will want to export and print out are the Profit and Loss Statement and the Knapp Account Code Transaction Detail. These reports complement each other because the Profit and Loss Statement provides a summary of your financial position for a specified date range. The Knapp Account Code Transaction Detail Report shows all deposits, payments, and other transactions associated with a specific Knapp account code for a date range. These reports were both run for the last fiscal year, which is why the amounts match for each account code. Let's see how I ran these reports. The first report I will show you is the Profit and Loss Statement. Once you select the report, you will see a set of options appear on the right-hand side. Select the start and end date for the period you wish to view. In this example, I will select July, which is the first month of the fiscal year, through August. Next, select how you want to compare the data. From the Compare To drop-down, there are several options to choose from, including year-to-date, budget, and prior year. I'm going to select budget to make sure I am on track for the current year. I can also select by dimension to provide me with data for that specific dimension. For example, I could select my fall or spring season. I am not going to select a dimension in this example. Then select Display. This report displays the actual data for the period of July through August against my annual budget. The reason I can see my annual budget is because when I entered the budget data, I entered it in July, and July is included in my date range. If I wanted to see monthly reports compared to my budget, I would have had to enter the budget data in monthly. If I wanted to find out what was coded to the account 5130 equipment, I would run the Knapp Account Code Transaction Detail. I select the Knapp Account Code Transaction Detail report, and again, options appear on the right. I will select the date range that I selected for my Profit and Loss Statement, which was a period of July through August, and then select only the account code 5130 equipment. Then select Display. This report shows me all of my transactions coded to the account code for that date range. Notice that it also shows me the type of transaction, the reference number, transaction number, the date the transaction occurred, the dimensions used, who the payment was issued to, and the amount. These reports were ran for the same date range, which is why the amounts listed for equipment on the Profit and Loss Statement matches the amount on the Transaction Detail Report. If I had selected different dates for each report, these two would not match. There are several other reports found in the General Ledger class. However, the two I just reviewed are the most commonly used. For a quick description of these other reports, select the wiki at the top of the screen. Now let's go to the Banking Report class. The first report listed is the Bank Transaction Report, which is a check register. This report lists all payments and deposits for the selected bank account and date range. Whenever I select a report, options appear on the right. In this example, I want to see all of my transactions for this fiscal year. I suggest exporting this report to Excel. To do this, I will scroll down and select from the Destination drop-down and choose Excel. Then select Display. The reason it is helpful to export to Excel is so that you can sort by the various column headings such as the type, check number, amount, or any other field you need to sort by. The next report is the Bank Reconciliation Detail Report. When I select this report, the options available are each of my bank accounts and reconciliation dates associated with each account. Here is an example of my August 30th Bank Reconciliation Report, which displays all cleared deposits and payments found on my August 2015 bank statement. The ending reconciliation balance found here matches my ending bank statement balance. This report also includes uncleared transactions that have not cleared my bank account. The running balance listed here is my current cash balance when all transactions clear. For more information on running reports, please contact your Knapp representative.